Hello and welcome back to my channel. Today I have come with a business case that is called restaurant chain. Let's say we have multiple tables and the database name is restaurant, and under this database restaurant we have multiple tables. Uh, like today we are going to see few business cases. For that I am going to use three tables, that is one is customer, second is reservations, and third is tables. So this restaurant chain, what it does, uh, we are going to perform some business cases, or we are going to get some answers for the stakeholders related to the business cases. We will be seeing how we can do that. So let's say this is the table. I'll give these table names along with the all the values as in Excel sheet in the description box. So just for the a brief introduction, these are the three tables. If I run this, these are the columns and these are the data points are there for all the three tables, as you can see. And based upon these three tables we are going to solve three business questions along with one bonus question. So the query is, first query is, how many reservations have been made for August 10, 2014? So this is related to the reservation question. Like question is how many reservations are made for a specific date, and the specific date is, we have mentioned it as August 2024. So let's write that query. So first of all, what I'll write, select count star from reservation where reservation date equals to that specific date, that is 2024-0810. And if I run this, we have two reservations for that particular date. Let's say I want to not only see this date, let me give some alias name as total reservations. Okay, so this is the two reservations we have for this specific date. Let's say I want to print not only this along with the customer name as well, so that if there is any requirement of we need to call or just to get the confirmation, we can do that. So for that I'll modify this query and I'll put star, and this time our customer name is present in our customer table. So simply I can put this one, but it doesn't have the date. So what we can do, we can join with the reservation. On which key? Customer ID, and here is also customer ID. So what we can do, we can take this table name along with the customer ID. Same thing we'll do, we'll take from the table name first and then the column name. See, we have two different person that we having the reservation for that particular date. Here is a date and this is a person name and this is a contact details. Now let's say it's asking for which tables are reserved on August 10 at this specific time. So previously we saw the date, and now we want to see it as a specific time. So for that we can write it as, so we'll take the same query, like which tables are reserved. Okay, so for this specific one you can write it as select star count. We'll get the table names. We'll get the table names, and we want the reservation reserved one, right? So reserved one. Okay. So let me see the reservation table one. Sorry, table once again. Location is available. Is available. Seating capacity. Okay. And our question is which tables are reserved on August 10. So reservation will get the reservation details from the reservation table and the table details from the tables. So for that I have to join. So I'll select star from tables, join reservations. Let me give some alias name. This is as table T. This is as reservation as R, and R dot we have common as table ID, table ID. T dot table ID, where reservation dot reservation date is equal to this date, and reservation time 19. So okay, so this is a table on this particular date and time it has booked. Now we'll be solving another one. We know this is the table ID. It is pre-booked by a customer. But what if like more people comes in for dine out and asking for the uh, to book a live table? So we need to print that what are the rest of the table that is are present and which is not occupied. So that we will be seeing in the bonus question. Before jumping into this, we'll solve this last question. So it's asking for how many times the uh, customer John Doe has made a reservation. So for that we can get like join two tables, that is one is reservation and another one is customer. So I'll write select star select like how many times John Doe. Okay, we can make count star as reservation count from reservations. I'll give as R as alias name, join with customer, SC, and we can join based on customer ID. So C dot customer ID is equal to r dot customer id, where c dot name equals John Doe. Okay, so John Doe has totally made as one uh, reservation, so that's how it has come one. But let's see, what if we want to print some more details. Like I don't want to just print one uh, over here. We can mention it as like this, or we can simply copy paste and you can print it the entire table to get all the details of John Doe. Okay, now it's time for this bonus question. We want to print all the tables except this reserved one. So table number 3 is already reserved, so we don't want to print that, but we want to print the rest. So for that, what we can do, we can write it as select star from tables, because all the table information will come from here, and we can join with the reservation, because if it is reserved or not, we can get that information from the reservation table. So we'll give alias name as R and this as T, and we want to join these two table on. Let's see which two are common between table and reservation. Should be table ID. So R dot table ID, now we want to, okay, only join is not sufficient. We can do a left join, because all the rows we want from the tables, and we want to exclude, and we want to get the matching rows from this table, matching rows from the reservation as well. So we can make it left join A2 reservations are, let's say I want to get on this particular date and time, or you can give only the date, whatever you wish. uh, so for that you can put another condition, and from reservation dot reservation date equals to this. Let me copy this entire string, where r dot table id is none. So this is giving all the table id, like what are the table id along with the seating capacity, but these are the tables are available, so we can provide to the customer these tables, as it is not allocated. So we can get rid of all this entire part. So this table is coming from the table, so I can put t dot star, and these are the tables it is available. So that's all for now. If you like this video, please give a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Till then, take care, bye bye, and I'll see you with another new exciting video. Thank you.